So here's a quick review of the Garden Line modular raised bed from Aldi. Comes with 8 boards. Now, as you can see from my hand, they're not massive boards, so the picture can be a little misleading to people, as well as the size of the box, because it's not that great. They stack up on the box 2 boards high, although it is a reasonable height as a single. I'd say it's about the same size as a decking board width, which, when I'm mentioning decking boards, these are plastic, but if you consider the fact that this costs £20, £19.99 or something close to that, it is quite expensive for what it is. Okay, you've got the easy connections. It comes with 8 of the boards, 8 connection pegs that you simply plug in, stab into the ground, and then I'm not exactly certain, I haven't read the instructions yet. There we go. So you pop a lid off, and then one stake that will stab into the ground, then this one will stab in. So you got the 2 boards, put the lower half on, then on it you got a groove on the bottom half and a slot on the top, sticks out the slot together so it connects pretty clear. Put one in, popping the lid off, pop the lid off to reveal a hole. So actually, might be easier if I put this second board on there, just so you get a bit of picture. So you put the 2 boards on, however you want it. And that being mentioned, I did think I'd be able to make 2 nice little triangles from one box. However, as soon as it goes past 90 degrees, you cannot use this peg, and that's a big letdown for me. I was planning on having a couple of triangles, which would give a decent sized bed for a bit of veggie and the kids to grow in there. This is just so as we can get some decent nutrients on top, like our soil's really clayey, so it's going to plant some carrots, let it grow, and then it'll grow down into the like clayey soil what we've got. But that's a no-go. The other good thing with these, which I've thought about, is we can use them as potato stackers. So you start at one bottom, and as it grows and grows and grows, add another layer, taking the top cap off, stabbing the next layer in, more dirt, keep it growing up and up, and it could be endless, the height of it. And being plastic, they will get sunlight damage and that, but they should last a couple of years. However, as I touched on already, the price, it is a bit extreme. So, as you can see, free flowing, it will not close up much past the 90-degree angle. Definitely not to a 3-way side, an equilateral triangle, 3-sided triangle. Definitely not. They do have set designs, but if you did want to put a triangle, you could get some really thin rebar. The actual pegs themselves, what's meant to stag into the ground, I reckon you could actually do it with that, but it is quite tight. So get a little bit of thin rebar, let's say, and you could probably do it with that. But if you're going to go that route, you may as well just get a decking board. I mean, £8 for the plastic ones in B&Q at the minute, 2.4 meters long. So you could build one of these boxes for maybe £15. Bit of rebar, just drill through the decking board straight through the side, bit of rebar down, jobs are good done.